What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to take a screenshot in Windows 11, or it's better to say how to snip any image on Windows 11. You can snip any image from internet, or you simply have to select that image and you can crop that image and you can save it in your desktop. I would not recommend you to use any image on any of your commercial purpose. It's better to use non-commercial thing, and there are a lot of other websites out there where you can download the images. And before going further, do not forget to subscribe, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section, or if you have any question you can ask in the comment section. Alright, so if you want to take a screenshot, then simply click on print screen, which you will find on your laptop keyboard or on your external keyboard. Simply press that key. First you have to click on the screen, then click on that key, print screen, click on Windows icon, search for Paint and open it, and Control V. Here we have the print screen, and now if I want to save it, simply click on File, select Save As and select your file format. If I want to save it in PNG format, then I select this one. If I want to save it in JPEG, then I will select this one. I like to save it in PNG picture format, so I'm selecting it, and let me select desktop, untitled, click save and close it. Here we have the screenshot. Now if we talk about snipping any image from internet, then we need snipping tool, which you will simply find in Windows 11 by just typing snip. You'll see the snipping tool. Click on open. We can simply click on new, and it gives us the option to take the snip from any of the image on internet, on Google Chrome, or either on our desktop screen. If I open Chrome browser and I go to Upsplash website, which is a free source of downloading any picture or images, and if I select this image, which I can download for free in these file format, but I like to show you how I'm gonna snip this. So I simply have to click on it and type snip, click on open and click on new and select the image. And here we have this image. Click on these three dots, click on save, or you can click on Control S, as you can see the command here. Click on save and select where you want to save this image. If I want to save this image in download folder, then I'll select that one, but I like to save it in desktop screen. So I have selected desktop and click on save, and you can change the file format from here as well. As you can see, there are a lot of other format. If you want to save it in JPEG, then you can simply type .jpeg and click on save. That's easy how it is. And let me do a right click to this picture, click on properties. Here you can see it actually save in PNG. You have to save it in the different file format. I can save it in JPEG as well, however I have to select the other format, but I think I have made some kind of mistake, so that's why it's not saved in JPEG. So that's how you can take the screenshot, and that's how you can snip any of the image from internet. I would recommend you to not to use any snip image for commercial use. It always have to be non-commercial use, like for office use or something like that. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.